Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Wagwan Tours. We are in Infinity Zante for SOCA MAZZA 2026. Let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe.
Right, cheers, Sabrina.
Cheers.
Check out, you got the DJ over here. Then you got DJ over here. Got everyone out to see. They want everyone out to be here. So yeah, see Wagwan.
Everything going down. It could be water. SOCA MAZZA. It could be rum. It could be anything. Is there anybody celebrating a birthday this weekend? Life is so good. Anybody celebrating a birthday this weekend? Tell them this. From your head up this morning, you're going to on her birthday, happy birthday, darling. More life, more life. Big up all the birthday crew inside here. This weekend is about you. You. How great your friends are. How much liquor you can drink. And how much you love the party. Give me love and lights, everywhere I find. Give thanks to the Lord. face, just a warm up. This is just the welcome party. Yeah? Do not get carried away. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let me get time, guys. See you guys as well.
Look where we are. Greatest carnival. So much love. Last up Laganas, it's like this in the capital. So I feel like I'm running down again. Jump and shake the ground again. We went on the run and them. No. I feel like I'm running down again. Jump and shake the ground again. We went on the run and them. No place, man.
From my waiting. Who's drinking? Who's drinking? I want to see the cups up right now. I'm looking like a who's gonna go right now? Who's gonna go right now? Who's gonna pass it? Who's gonna pass it? Everybody reach on jet to holiday. Tonight and wine like rain. We got the party shit off the plane. The nice ones swing and scream. Become the party shit off the plane. Become the party shit off the plane. Wine like rain. Become the party shit off the plane.
Okay, figure it out.
One thing I on my mind is how to wind in time. Then come for room is fine. See you make your body move. Say something. Push back. Everybody feel roll. Wind it like a champion. See you make your body move.
After that, you see any party I go, I must find a group for their toys, yeah? Say line them up, line up, line up, hey, wind them up, wind up. My Benji called me for a fete. He said I need to party to your fuck. I want drinks and rum. I want wine too, girl. I said follow me.
Tell me how you get down. I was just sweating out. I wanna see the migrate sky. Tell me see the migrate.
You know this one?
I wanna see the
know this one?
two hands on it.
If you don't know this one, it's very simple.
See the migrate.
It's very simple. I'm gonna explain the moves to you.
Migrate sky.
I'm gonna explain the moves to you. See right now?
Yo, what's going on? No, we don't know. Look,
I may know me as TF4.
what's going on, people?
I will look to my DJ Maya after that. So SOCA MAZZA 2026, you don't know to me.
First step is in your right hand. Next step is in your left hand. And then you put both hands in the air. And then you show me the migrate sky. Blood, I wanna see the migrate sky. No stop up in that migrate sky. You show me the migrate sky. You show me the migrate sky. Jump in the middle of the sky. Put two hands in the head and sky. And I said, show me how you get down. That's the sky, sky. Jump in the middle of the sky. Put two hands in the head and sky. And I said, show me how you get down. That's the sky, sky. First step is in your right hand. Next step is in your left hand. And then you put both hands in the air. And then you show me the migrate. Show me. I wanna see the migrate. Show me. No stop.
said, show me how you